These are definitely babies. Look, I can touch it now, Sharon.
Oh, wow.
Did you see? Look, I can touch it now, Sharon. Look, Sharon.
Yeah.
They're furry. Furry. It's fun, isn't it? Look, let it come round. It's furry, look, furry. They're a bit unsure, aren't they? But I love you, though. I want to hurt you. I love you. You're so furry. And this, you wouldn't get that chance, would you?
Never.
Oh, then Mummy and Daddy's coming, are they? You want to feed them? Come on, you gotta get used to humans. You gotta get used to humans. I'm your mum. Look, you're furry. 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 I know it's a bit cruel, but no. Only a bit at a time, so I can touch you. One more furry. There you are. Next one. I think the little ones are less scared, aren't these ones? Little ones. Come on. That's it. It's cruel, but still.
It's not.
I love them. That's it. Finito. Don't be scared of me. I'm your friend. Come on. Shh. Where's the others? There were so many here.
I know.
Shall I eat from my hand?
Try.
Massage. I love it so much that I have to do it like that. Where's the other ones? Where's the babies? They don't know,